All right, the car's all together and working good, so nothing left to do but go for a little drive. My fun on the track is over. That was a really good time. I really enjoyed that. The car felt pretty good. Throttle response was excellent. Definitely had lots of power when I got on it. The throttle came off when I released the throttle. That's important because you'd be surprised how scary it is when you lift off the throttle and it continues to make power, which is what it was doing with the old torque maps that were on it. It used to do that, but now I figured out that negative numbers put in the torque map lets the throttle come back. Anyways, no overheating issues. Everything was great. It was completely controllable. I was able to drift it like all the way around the track, which was fantastic fun. I did a couple of wall taps. Yeah, I did manage to tap the wall 3 times. No damage done. Slight scuff, but no big deal. Now, you probably noticed that the car had a little bit of trouble turning. Well, there's a couple of reasons for that. It's easy to get heat in the rear tires because every time I step on it, it spins them. So they tend to be grippier than the front. Also, the front tires are down to cords. So there's very little grip there. But the biggest factor was that I didn't have this trimmed enough. See, the tire is actually hitting right there. So I cut the fiberglass here to clear the tire, but when I put the splitter on here, I didn't trim it enough, so I need to trim that because you can see, like, look at the rubber that's like it's actually cut into my tire a little bit. But yeah, and I did that on both sides. So really, I just couldn't turn the wheel as far as I wanted. But anyways, that is the excitement for this week. Oh, one more thing. Let me show you. It's just a little thing, but it's cool. It's one more step. I have my brake bias sticker on there now, and I have my shift pattern sticker on there now. So this arrow is for my reverse lockout, to remind you that you push down to then put it in reverse. So anyways, all right. So that's this for this week. I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it was lots of fun making it. And man, I just want to drive the car some more. Ooh, I love this thing. Okay, later.